right. Okay, yeah. Old timey, old timey, old timey. Mouse. And it's ant. This is stuff that's like behind the machine.
A quarter in a rack.
Yeah, well, there's already a quarter. And you'll put like old sandwich.
Mmm. Delicious.
Okay, it's a good thing I told you what that is.
Yeah.
Because you're not gonna know.
It's an insider joke.
It's an insider joke. See.
Oh, let me switch it real fast.
My